talking business more than usual. That means I'm always sure. Never yellow on my urinal. I'm always drinking on that Pellegrino. I your merch, I'm making
dude, stop that.
Some people from my school, they actually like to be some weirdos. I don't need no education.
He sounded just like TK, bro.
Yeah, that's crazy. And the other song, he sound like Smoke Purp.
He don't sound like he do, but he don't at the same time.
I'm saying it's because his voice.
He's close enough. The way he rap too.
Like that's his voice.
No, but TK would be like
his voice is different from TK, but that sounds just like TK.
Cause he'll be like Rob.
You talking about his
come get your man.
His flow like TK.
Bro, his flow is straight like TK, bro.
It's like, man, we listened to some of this, bro, cause we was back on the reacting to it, and we decided to go on and react to the you say rest of it. So either man, we back to real talk too.
It's your boy Daddy.
We finna go and quickly get into this. Only 2 minutes, so. As y'all heard, as we said, he sound like somebody, bro.
This a check talking. Take all your pants. Bitch ain't on top of target. Want me do my dance. Pants in my pocket.
Bro, that sounds just like TK.
Oh, beans. This a check talking. Take all your pants.
Hey, it's fine though. I like it.
It sound like a little Cardi too, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
What that shit is Cardi, boy.
Yeah.
That junk is.
Did he say what?
Yeah. He said like he said pull up with a chopper down, take it, and he said what?
Hey,
then
what?
that was Cardi.
He said, hey, what?
Yeah.
Go back.
But he sound like Smoke Purp in the other song, bro. I'm telling you, he
jocking everybody.
He sound like
he did sound like Smoke Purp.
Oh dang. I didn't hear it for real.
Nah, but I can still distinguish him, bro. I can distinguish him.
Oh, I can distinguish him, but he just sounds too close.
He sounded
I mean, he ain't sounded too close for me. I can play him.
Don't get it wrong, bro. I like the song, bro.
I mean, it's bumping, but that man, but he bumping, but he's telling people flow.
We sound like we sit here kind of criticizing him.
Yeah,
but don't get it wrong. We like him.
Don't get it wrong. His song is fire. That even though he took their flows,
yeah,
they gonna be mad.
I feel like he ain't trying to take it though. I feel like he ain't trying to take it. I feel like he ain't trying to, because the other one he sounded like Smoke Purp low key, but he was just rapping.
I feel like he might study them.
He
might study.
He watched film on them.
I'm saying, I'm pretty sure a lot of rappers. If you're a rapper, I'm pretty sure you listen to other rappers and see like, okay, why are they so successful? Why do people like them?
Oh, fool.
And I ain't listen to his other music, but he might be sounding like somebody else in his other music too. He be like, bro, people like this.
You watching film on them?
But he be doing something. He sound too close. Pull up with a chopper. TK be talking about choppers all the time, bro.
But people compare me to people though. So, I mean,
nah, he closer though. What?
You see how he kicks you out?
That sounds just like Cardi. Yeah. Oh my god. Bruh, hold on. You hear? Just go back a little part right here.
What?
Say
I'm trying to hear if I can.
This don't say like something Smoke Purp say.
Oh yeah. I told he said just like him,
everybody flow.
And lingo. What they say. You talking about what he said?
Oh my, yeah.
When he was going up the stairs, yeah.
Yes.
Smoke Purp do
when I
stuff
said
like
skirt out the lot.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. He said skirt out the lot.
Oh yeah, skirt out the lot. He did sound just like him, bro. Come on, bro.
But you can't.
We gonna stop.
Hold up. I just gotta listen.
58 seconds, bro.
Sketches on my feet, but I'm a rich guy. Can I forward home cause they be picking sides? Ice, that's my neck. Talking shiny, and I'm rocking Goyard and Supreme.
He said, did Smoke Purp say bands, bro?
Yeah.
Check talking. Take all your pants. Bitch ain't on top of Want me do my dance, 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 dance. Pants in my pocket. Come and get your mans, mans, mans. Fire on my rocket.
It's fine though.
I like that, man.
Take all your pants, pants, pants. Bitch, ain't on top of talking. Want me do my dance, 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 dance. Pants in my pocket. Come and get your mans, mans, mans. Fire on my rocket. Oh, beans, beans. Mans, mans, mans. Fire on my rocket. Oh, beans, beans, beans. That's a check talking. Take all your pants, pants, pants.
Dang, bro. I'm dead.
I don't know.
We finna see how loyal his fans are, bro. If they come at us like, bro, he don't sound like them.
Yeah. By some of the comments, they was riding for him.
He don't sound. I ain't seen no comments riding.
I did.
Oh, but yeah, we finna see how hardcore his fans are. Y'all finna come at us.
I like it though.
That's just how.
Yeah, I like the song, but
I like it though.
He sounds just like the rappers that we
stuff.
listen to, bro.
I did hear some stuff. That's it.
That's crazy, skirting off the lot. That's something Smoke Purple would say, and I heard him say it before.
Scared off the lot, yeah. For real. That's probably why it sounds so alike. Cause you heard him say it before. But yeah, man. Either way, man. Like, subscribe, comment. What y'all think? Do y'all think he sound like? If y'all listen to him, bro, y'all gotta have. I don't know. Y'all gotta have some type of thought. Y'all gotta have some thought. Like, bro, he kinda sound like him. Kinda, at least kinda.
If you wanna be 100.
Yeah, you gonna be 100 about it. You know he sound like the rap that we just pronounced.
Yeah. But either way, man, we that giveaway maybe. I don't know what the giveaway. I don't know. We gonna have plenty of giveaways coming up. Future reference, future. I don't know.
We don't know.
Either way, man, we out.
Let's get it. Bitch, I'm hot like I'm the sky or the ceiling. I've been killing y'all hoes, so you might call me a villain. Grit is chicker, then I slide. With my niggas got exquisite ass flow, so you know I'm about to kill it. Got restrictions, solar cloud. He gon' spread in the wheelchair, cause you turn out your motherfucking nexus. I'm not penny, but I'm proud of my niggas make it out the slums. Yeah,
Shawty, you know what it is.
And my virgin didn't working, so you know I had to flip it like an omelet in a skillet, like a sticker had to peel it. Woo. But I'm that nigga now, yeah, and it's only the beginning. Been adapted to this shit like a commanding up a check like it's a track race. And I see your little hoe, she got a rat face. Slid up in my room and now I see she got on black lace. Fat cake, then I hit her with the D like she got a bad grade.